Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Like I said, the ability to manage a home is what came able Afod came marriage. My marriage with Kunle Afod has not been easy. It has not been easy. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ onítíátà àti àmàpàrọ̀ kò easy o. Bọ̀ mo ní kankan, mo máa sọ láti ìgbà tí mo ti fẹ́ wọn. Mo ní pé mi ní lọ. Despite anything, Maduroshani. There is something in our people don't know. Afod don't like Kuala. He doesn't like Kuala. Then, you go check Babambari. See, we appreciate you. See, what they say, King Bobamami, just because of us. Just help me stand up. Help me kneel down. Help me prostrate. Help me thank you. Afod allowed me to be me. If they would just say their wife, I will not want them to fully afford. Ọkùnrin tó bá gbà kó bí ṣe kọ́ tó wù ọkùnrin ni o. Ẹ bá mi kí. Thank you so much for all you do for me. Thank you for tolerating me. Thank you for allowing me to be me. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Don't need to know. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank
you. Now face your husband. Husband face your wife. Hold on, am I rush? Me like rushing. Put your hand on his waist. Waist. Or no, put your hand on his shoulder. Pull it, hold the waist. My baby gonna think people can do somewhere go to hold there. Now, madam, look in his eyes. Call him what you call him. Say I love you. Thank you for accepting me. Thank you for being a good man to me. Thank you for being a good partner. Thank you for being a good husband. On behalf of your children, I say thank you. Now kiss your husband.
Now you may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride.
Did I tell you to stop? Continue, Daddy.
Kiss your bride.
Oh God.
Kiss your bride.
Oh God.
Kiss your bride.
Oh God.
Kiss your bride.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.